Starting around 25 November 2023, Cardano generally is exchanging at $0.3935 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.66% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they in a real sense thought. ADA truly has a truly all-out market cap of $13,886,940,763, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $260,851,175, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This for the most part makes Cardano, ADA, fundamentally positioning at 8 in the digital currency market, showing how ADA in every practical sense has an essentially complete market cap of $13,886,940,763, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $260,851,175, which truly is genuinely huge. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Cardano sort of be genuinely worth in 2023, or so they really thought? Is Cardano an essentially wise speculation or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023, which fundamentally is very huge? Will ADA cost truly outperform its untouched kind of high in a huge manner? These sort of are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, exhibiting how in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano especially be truly worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2023. As per the Cardano Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the ADA cost basically is supposed to truly cross a sort of normal value level of $0.4173, the normal by and large least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to in every practical sense be $0.4017 in an especially significant way. Besides, ADA can generally arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.4413, showing that ADA certainly has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $13,886,940,763, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $260,851,175, which for the most part is very critical. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Cardano cost generally is figure to in a real sense arrive at an especially the most minimal cost of $0.3741, which certainly is genuinely critical. The ADA cost could basically arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.4208, with the by and large normal expected cost around $0.4091, which generally is very huge. ADA Value Gauge December 2023. The Cardano figure for December 2023 expects that the ADA may sort of arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.4413, with a very least cost of around $0.4017 in an especially huge manner. Discussing the really normal value, ADA can in every practical sense stretch around $0.4173 for December, or so they essentially thought. Cardano genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost especially has shown a sort of good increment of 1.08% in the truly most recent 24 hours, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. From most recent 7 days, the ADA basically was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.99%, which fundamentally is very critical. Cardano sort of has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right in and contribute. So from certainly most recent 7 days, the ADA truly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.99% in an unpretentious manner. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA basically diminished by 12.193%, dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.0546 from its really current worth. So will ADA cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high in an all things considered significant way? This unexpected down truly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a very decent for the most part purchase and open door for fast speculation, exhibiting that certainly is Cardano an especially wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 3.47%, And the cost sort of coursed from an especially least genuinely normal cost of $0.3713 to fundamentally most extreme pretty normal cost of $0.3888 in the very beyond 90 days. Showing how Cardano basically has shown exceptionally serious areas of strength of potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to basically dive right in and contribute. So from kind of most recent 7 days, the ADA certainly was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.99%, or so they by and large thought. In fundamentally most recent 4 months, Cardano sort of has shown a developing pattern, so Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost in every practical sense is supposed to truly cross a sort of normal value level of $0.4173. The normal genuinely least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the really current year ought to generally be $0.4017, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. In this manner, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, which really is genuinely critical. As indicated by the particularly the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano certainly is expanded from 4 months, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, which essentially is very critical. The coin in a real sense is up by 31.58%. With the essentially greatest kind of typical cost of the coin, for the most part was around $0.2664, and the very least by and large normal cost of truly was around $0.2563 in truly beyond 4 months in an exceptionally significant manner. Cardano value figure 2023 facts. What will truly be Cardano truly worth in 2023, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? The ADA cost in every way that really matters is estimated to sort of arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest degree of $0.4413 with in every way that really matters, least cost of $0.4017 toward the finish of 2023. Extremely further appearance how these fundamentally are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future. Showing how in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Cardano basically be genuinely worth in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? Does Cardano basically have a future, or so they explicitly thought? As far as value, Cardano for the most part has an extraordinary sort of potential to in every way that really matters, arrive at new levels, which fundamentally is very critical. It in every practical sense is gauged that ADA will increment in esteem in every way that really matters, further appearance how subsequently we for the most part believe that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous.